Ready? Start. Punjab and Haryana High Court has held that whereas adjudicatory mechanism under the Working Journalists Act is intended to provide an opportunity of hearing to the employer qua the question of claim raised by the employee, the employer cannot claim any hearing before making of the reference by the appropriate government under section 17 bracket 2 of the act. Stop. The court was dealing with a petition filed by an employer challenging the order passed by the appropriate government, referring claim of wages of 56 employees to the adjudicatory mechanism without proper notice. Stop. Para. The bench comprising Justice Rajbir Sehrawat dismissed the petition for it being sans merit and held that the action of the appropriate government in referring the matter to the Labour Court is in tune with the provisions of section 17 of the Act. Stop. Para. Brief facts relevant to the case are that the petitioner company is running the newspaper Dainik Bhaskar from multiple locations. Stop. Some employees respondents had a dispute regarding the payment of their wages. Stop. They moved applications to the appropriate government authorities for redressal of the same. Stop. The appropriate government referred it to the Labour Court for its adjudication. Stop. Hence, the present petition is filed challenging the said reference. Stop. Para. After considering the rival submissions, this court held that since, the dispute required adjudication by the adjudicatory body, which is a requirement under section 17 bracket 2 of the Working Journalists and Other Newspaper Employees bracket Conditions of Service and Miscellaneous Provisions Act 1955 Act, the matter was rightly referred to the Labour Court for its proper adjudication. Stop. Para. In view of the above, it is clear that so far as the state government is concerned, it had received the claim of 56 employees. Stop. The said employees has raised a dispute regarding non-payment of their wages. Stop. Finding substance in the claim of the employees, the matter qua 56 employees has been referred. Stop. Para. The country made a reference to section 17 of the said act and held that under the said provision, when any amount is due to a newspaper employee, he can approach the state government, which it, if satisfied, will ask the collector to recover the money from the employer in accordance with the law. Stop. However, if the appropriate government believes that the amount is not a determined amount or there is any question regarding it, it can refer the matter to an adjudicatory mechanism. Stop. Negating the argument raised by learned counsel for the petitioner that the reference has been made. Stop. Over.